Hello bachon, let's read the question. The question says the structure shown below of which well-known drug molecule. So here a structure is given in which imidazole ring is attached with sulfur and then NH, and then it is also attached with CN and NHCH3. Option A ranitidine, option B Seldon, option C cimetidine, option D codeine. First of all, let us check the key concept of the question. The key concept of this question is that ranitidine and cimetidine, these both are the example of antacids which are used to reduce the acidity. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ओवर ईटिंग कर लेते हैं या काफ़ी टाइम तक स्टमक एम्प्टी रहता है तो एसिड ज़्यादा क्रिएट हो जाते हैं. टू रिड्यूस दैट एसिडिटी एंटासिड्स यूज किए जाते हैं. एंड सेल्डन इज अ ब्रांड नेम ऑफ अ ड्रग जिसका नाम होता है टर्फेनडीन. और ये टर्फेनडीन जो है वो एक एंटीहिस्टामिन है. एंड लास्ट कोडीन. कोडीन जो है वो एक नार्कोटिक एनाल्जेसिक है. नार्कोटिक एनाल्जेसिक का मीन होता है कि इट इज यूज टू रिलीव द पेन. These are used to relieve the severe pain and they work on the nervous system. Now let's check the complete solution of the question. So the given structure here represent cimetidine. अगर हम ranitidine की स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो ranitidine का स्ट्रक्चर होता है एक टर्शरी अमीन होगा which is attached with a furan ring. फ्यूरिन रिंग होती है जिसमें एक ऑक्सीजन होता है सेंटर में और 5 मेंबर्ड रिंग होती है. देन इट इज अटैच्ड विद अ सल्फर एटम attached with amine again. Then it is attached with NO2 group and here also a secondary amine. So this is ranitidine. Seldane की बात करें अगर हम, as I have already told you, it is terfenadine. So the structure of terfenadine is, it has 2 benzene rings attached with a carbon here which is attached with OH. It is attached with a ring here which contain nitrogen. Then this nitrogen is attached with OH group here, again attached with the benzene ring and tertiary butyl group. So this is the structure of Seldon. Next is codeine. If we see the structure of codeine, there is a benzene ring which has a OCH3 group here. Then it is attached with another ring here. Here hydrogen atom is there and there is amine group which is in the ring. Here OH group and hydrogen. So this is the structure of codeine. So we have seen the structure of all the three other than cimetidine. So the structure of cimetidine is the one which is given in the question. तो हमारा correct answer हो जाएगा option C. Hope you understood the solution well. Thank you.